To achieve best practices for best egg debt consolidation, it is essential to understand the concept of debt consolidation and how Best Egg operates. Best Egg is a financial institution that offers personal loans for debt consolidation, allowing individuals to combine multiple debts into one loan with a single interest rate and monthly payment. The first step is to determine if debt consolidation is the right option for you. This involves assessing your financial situation, including your income, expenses, debts, and credit score. You should make a list of all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and other obligations, and calculate the total amount you owe and the interest rates associated with each debt. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial situation, you can apply for a Best Egg loan. The application process typically involves providing personal and financial information, such as your income, employment history, and credit score. Best Egg will review your application and offer you a loan with a specific interest rate and repayment term. To get the most out of your Best Egg debt consolidation loan, it is crucial to follow best practices. One key concept is to consolidate high-interest debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. For example, if you have multiple credit cards with interest rates ranging from 18 to 25%, you can consolidate these debts into a Best Egg loan with an interest rate of 10%, resulting in significant savings on interest payments. Another best practice is to create a budget and stick to it. This involves allocating your monthly payment towards your Best Egg loan and avoiding new debts. You should also prioritize your debts, focusing on paying off high-interest debts first and avoiding unnecessary expenses. It is also essential to communicate with Best Egg and make timely payments. If you encounter any financial difficulties, you should contact Best Egg immediately to discuss possible solutions, such as temporary hardship programs or loan modifications. In conclusion, achieving best practices for Best Egg debt consolidation requires a thorough understanding of your financial situation, a clear application process, and a commitment to responsible financial management. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively consolidate your debts, reduce your interest payments, and improve your overall financial well-being.